Means if something went wrong, how I am going to approach to it and how I am going to tackle those emergencies. So that we are going to just go through with the session today. So before going to start the session again, thank you all so much for your great work towards the mankind. So you are saving thousands of lives, and rehab is the place where the patient attenders, patienters, and entire patient's team will be completely in frustration mode, if I am not wrong. So you guys are keeping them cool, calm, taking care of them very well as like their family members. So Sukima is doing a great job when it comes to our camp and when it comes to the post-op or this rehab works. So kudos to the entire team for your great job. You guys deserve one big round of applause for yourself. Let's not waste much time. Let's just run through the course which we are planning to understand today. As Darshan sir clearly mentioned, I am Shashi Kumar. So I am born and brought up in Karnataka. I do speak Kannada. I do speak Tamil. I do speak Telugu. So I do speak a bit of Hindi. If you are not understanding what I am talking in English, so please raise your hand and clarify that out in your local language. Is it okay? How many of you understand English here? Basic English? Super, super, great. Hindi? Thoda. Okay, fine. Tamil? Speaking lab? Oh, super. Lovely. Vanakkam. Telugu? Very few. Okay. Then we'll speak with English. Is it okay? Yes, yes. Sure. I'll manage both English and Hindi. Is it okay? Okay. Start. So this course actually we call as BLS. So I think many nurses here. So how many nurses are here? Could you please raise your hand? Thank you. So you guys are in this uniform? Therapy department. Okay. So you know what is BLS? Basic life support. Very good. So if they give an answer, no? Whenever they give an answer, we can give them a one big hand. Nothing wrong in that. Good. Basic life support. Any idea what we will do in BLS? हम लोग क्या करते हैं? कभी भी BLS वो टर्म है ना, उसमें हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? Life support. We are saving your life. Very good. So हम लोग कैसे लाइफ सेव कर रहे हैं? So कुछ टेक्निक यूज कर रहे हैं क्या? Yes. टेक्निक का नाम क्या है? CPR. Very good. One more big hand. CPR. CPR. Okay. So CPR का मतलब क्या है? Did someone knows? So technique means therapy means what? What you guys found? Physiotherapy. Lovely. Then you might have undergone BLS course, no? Many of you. I think that's what you were talking about rescue breaths, right? Good. Any idea, madam, what is CPR is all about? Anyone? Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Sir needs one big hand, please. It's almost it is cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So if I want to just simplify what is BLS, without using any advanced equipment, if you try to save some valuable life, that's called as BLS. Shall we repeat? Without using any advanced equipment. हमारा पास अभी ventilator नहीं है, हमारा पास अभी defibrillator भी नहीं है. So still I'm just trying my level best by using my two hands. That is BLS. So मेरा पास defibrillator है, मेरा पास ventilator है, हमारा पास doctors है. So complete team. So कुछ कर दिए तो उसका नाम ACLS. Very good. Advanced Life Support. So आज हम लोग किसके बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ? BLS के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ. इसका मतलब क्या है? हमारा पास defibrillator नहीं है, हमारा पास ventilator भी नहीं है, हमारा पास doctor भी नहीं है. मैं अकेला हूँ. I'm just alone. No one is there. How I am going to respond to it? That's called as BLS. Basic Life Support. So is it clear? मालूम होगा क्या बोला? BLS का मतलब क्या है मैडम? फुल फॉर्म क्या है? BLS. क्या बोला? Lovely. Basic life support. Give them a big hand. So you guys are from medical background. You can catch it what I mean. But if they are answering, that's the real success of the training. Okay. So here we will cover 4 important points, or at least 3 important points. In that first important point, as you guys said, CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Second important point, giving breath, सांस देने का. So we are going to give 2 breaths. And third important point, defibrillate. We are going to give them a shock by using AED, not the defibrillator. So these 3 components are covered in BLS course. Okay, which are all? First one, CPR, very good. Second one, rescue breath, 2 rescue breaths. Third one, AED, defibrillator, automated external defibrillator. So we will discuss about one by one now. Okay, in that first point is CPR. As you guys already clearly mentioned, what is CPR? Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So if I want to simplify, cardio means our heart. Cardio means heart. Pulmonary, lungs. Shwasakosh. So first heart, then lungs. R stands for resuscitation. What is resuscitation? I am going to restart the heart and lungs. अभी मेरा दिल काम नहीं कर रहा है, मेरा श्वासकोश भी काम नहीं कर रहा है, इसलिए हमने क्या कर रहा हूँ, उसका रीस्टार्ट करने का कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. रीस्टार्ट करने का क्या कर रहा हूँ, कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. इसीलिए उसका नाम है CPR. उसका नाम क्या है? CPR. C का मतलब क्या है? कार्डियो. मतलब क्या है? हमारा हार्ट, दिल. So P, pulmonary, श्वासकोश. Then R, resuscitation. हमारा दिल ना, हाँ, मेरे को पता है आपका दिल अच्छे से काम कर रहा है. फरवरी में हुआ है ना? फरवरी. क्या बोल रहे हो यार? Yeah, they're innocent, but they're talking themselves. That's what I'm just asking you. आपके पास दिल है? काम कर रहा है? Yes. दिल से काम कर रहा है? अच्छे से कर रहा है क्या? फरवरी में हुआ ना? तो आपका दिल दे दिया आपके पास है? आपके पास है? Okay, okay. दिल नहीं दे दिया. Okay, fine. So कभी भी दिल काम नहीं कर रहा है उस समय में हम लोग CPR करना पड़ेगा. So what is the function of heart?
Blood circulation.
It's the pump the blood to enter all over the body. In that mainly it is going to put the blood to brain and other organs. So this question for technical theory. So how many minutes your brain can survive without oxygen, without glucose, without blood supply? How many minutes, sir? No idea? 2 to 5 minutes. You are a 1 big hand, so it is almost our brain can survive without nutrition, without blood supply for maximum of 5 minutes. After 5 minutes क्या होता है? Brain death हो सकता है. So brain death होना है नहीं होना है? नहीं होना है. इसलिए हम लोग CPR कर रहे हैं. Is it clear?
Yes.
मालूम हुआ? पुनिंदा? Okay. CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Cardio मतलब?
दिल.
No. This team is going to answer. So हमारा care team is going to answer. Cardio का मतलब क्या है? Heart. Very good. Pulmonary का मतलब क्या है? Lungs. Resuscitation का मतलब क्या है? Restart. Super. Give them a big hand, please. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Okay. So now we'll just show you how to do that. कैसे करना पड़ेगा. बाद में I'm going to call someone in that group. You have to do the CPR on the mannequin. Okay? Are you ready? Yes, sir. Are you ready? Yes, sir. Super. So we will assume we are in some ward or some floor. We will assume that the patient attender, not the patient, the patient attender who came to just check the status of the patient. The age is around 45 years. Male patient, he got a chest pain and it just collapsed in front of you. So उसका क्या हुआ है अभी? चेस्ट पेन हुआ है, बाद में क्या हुआ है? कोलैप्स हुआ है. उसको कैसे ट्रीटमेंट करना पड़ेगा अभी?
Scene safety.
Scene safety. Who's that? Scene safety. Very good. Give him a big hand. Super. So first and foremost thing, the place which I am going to approach is safer for you or safer for the patient. You just make sure that the place is safe. That's very important. Okay. Let's suppose patient is having a electrical current touch or electric routine. Shall I go and touch him directly? अभी पेशेंट को इलेक्ट्रिक शॉक हुआ है मैडम, सो मैंने उसको जाके अभी सीपीआर करना है और नहीं करना है? नहीं करना है. क्यों? सीपीआर कर दिया तो फेस्टिवल ऑफर होता है. क्या होता है? फेस्टिवल ऑफर, बाय वन गेट वन फ्री ऑफर. क्या होता है? बाय वन गेट वन फ्री होता है. इसलिए बिफोर गोइंग टू टच द पेशेंट आपने you have to make sure that the place is safe. That's the first point. That's what he said. So second point क्या करना है?
Check the response.
Check the response. Before checking the response, make sure you are wearing a gloves and mask. Is it important? Yes or no? Yes. Why it's important? Protecting myself is very important. Let's suppose patient is having some infection. If I go and approach one way, from my side patient may get a infection, or from patient side I may get a infection. It's called as cross infection. That's what I want to wear a gloves and mask. That's the second point. What's the third point? Check the response. Response कर रहा है और नहीं कर रहा है? आप लोग response कर रहे हैं क्या?
हाँ.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good afternoon, not good morning. I'm just checking your conscious level. Good afternoon. Are you guys responding? Yes or no? Yes, you are responding. So same way you can go and speak to the patient. So while speaking, there's a technique called as tap the shoulder and shout near the ears. So कभी भी पेशेंट का रेस्पॉन्स चेक करना है, उस समय में मैंने पेशेंट का साथ जाने के बाद हमारा बोथ हैंड्स इधर रखना है, शोल्डर से ना इधर रख के, सो पेशेंट का ईयर का पास शाउट करना है. ओके, शैल वी डू इट? Doubts are discussed after finishing the session. Okay, if I go with that, I will not be able to cover within that time. I'll come back to you. Okay, fine. I'll surely answer your question. Okay, fine. So I just wear gloves and mask. I check the response. How do I check it? Shake and shout. कैसे करना है? You have to go near the patient here, then you can check it. Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay? At least for 2 or 3 times. कितना बार पूछना है? 2 or 3 times. You just go speak to the patient near the ear. Patient response नहीं कर रहा है, so immediately क्या करना है?
Call for help.
Call for help.
Pulse level check किया.
Intercom. What number you have? 27. Okay. If someone is collapsed in front of you, if they are not responding, please dial which number? 27 and tell them that approximately 40-year male patient is collapsed in which floor? Because as far as I am concerned, there are 5 floors in this building, as I know, right? You just mention which floor it is, so that the code blue team they'll approach to you and they're going to help you in future. Okay? So third point is done. What we did in third point? We have called for the help. Then I'm going to check the carotid pulse. So इधर नाड़ी check करना है. Okay? कैसे check करना है? Do you know how to check it? Could you please check nurses? 3 fingers. Okay, where do you want to keep? Here, sir. What is here? What is the location is called as? Okay, leave it. So I request all of you to please raise your hand. सभी लोग करना है, एक hand raise कर दीजिए, उसमें वो 2 fingers lock कर दीजिए, फिंगर, तीन फिंगर इधर होना पड़ेगा. So वो तीन फिंगर्स इधर रखना है फर्स्ट. This is called as Adam's apple or cricket cartilage. Okay? इधर रखने के बाद थोड़ा सा just go down here, just go down. There is a groove, there is a canal here. In that canal, you can just keep your three fingers not completely back here. Madam, you can also do it. Okay? Rotate and fix it there. अभी आप लोग ऐसे है ना, और रोटेट करके उधर फिक्स करना है. ओके? नहीं हो रहा है क्या? कुछ हो रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? हाँ? लो हो रहा है सर, फार हो रहा है सर. Shall we repeat? Raise your hand. Keep it here. Drag towards your side, right or left side. In this group, there's a here you can place your three fingers. Rotate and fix it there. And concentrate. Concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. क्या हो रहा है? कुछ बीट हो रहा है क्या? So बीट हो रहा है तो आपने जिंदा है, नहीं है तो हमने आप लोग को किसी प्यार करना पड़ेगा. Okay, कभी भी so whenever I check the pulse, meanwhile I want to observe for the respiration. क्या करना है? नाड़ी चेक करना है. How? Breathing. हिंदी में क्या बोलना है? सांस ले रहा है और नहीं ले रहा है चेक करना है. Okay? Shall we repeat?
Yes, sir.
So I'm just placing my three fingers here. Bore हो रहा है क्या? Is it boring? Okay. So first I'll keep my three fingers here. I'll drag towards my side. So then I just bend. I'm going to count for 5 to 10 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Within this 10 second मेरे को पता होना चाहिए उसका नाड़ी है और नहीं है, वो सांस ले रहा है और नहीं ले रहा है. पेशेंट का पल्स, whether the patient has pulse or don't have pulse, the patient is breathing or not breathing. So just come for the conclusion. Okay? So if the patient is not responding, pulse is not there, respiration is not there, what it indicates? Cardiac arrest. Okay? Anything else? Heart attack or cardiac arrest?
Cardiac arrest.
What shall we stick with? Cardiac arrest or heart attack?
Cardiac arrest.
Are you sure? Yes. Are you sure? English सुनिए. सुनिए. Is it heart attack or cardiac arrest? Sure? Yes, you are correct. So give madam and the team one big hand. Give them a big hand, please. So it is cardiac arrest, not heart attack. So difference between heart attack, cardiac arrest we'll discuss a little later, not today. Okay, because for that I want projector, board, everything to explain. So whenever cardiac arrest means हमारा हाथ पंप हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा है? नहीं हो रहा है, उसका नाम है cardiac arrest. Cardio means heart, arrest means stop. Heart is got stop. That's what I want to start CPR. Is it clear? This is just introduction about CPR. Shall we repeat? So first point क्या करना पड़ेगा? कोई लोग first point scene safety. Second point क्या करना पड़ेगा? Wear gloves and mask. Third point check the response. Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay? He is not okay. Immediately dial 277 and get help. Code blue team. Okay? Then check for the. So कैसे check करना पड़ेगा? Just place your two fingers. Very good. Here, then you can drag. How many seconds I want to check? कितना second check करना पड़ेगा? More than 5 seconds, less than 10 seconds. Shall we count? Shall we start? Is it 1, 2, 3 or 1000 or 1000? Observation is very important. Okay, start. 1001. Start.
1001, 1002, 1003.
Repeat. Now entire team repeat करना है. 5 members. Okay. So Ajay check the response. Response नहीं है. Just call for the help. I'm going to check for the pulse. Start.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010.
So pulse नहीं है. नाड़ी नहीं है. सांस भी नहीं है. क्या कर रहे हैं अभी?
Get the AD.
Immediately I have to start CPR. Where do I have to start CPR? Any idea?
Question.
इधर देख लीजिए. Okay, first point. You just draw imaginary line between midline. Means हमारा body में एक line रखना पड़ेगा ऐसा. Then one more line between the chest. Midline and chest line. Where the lines are getting crossed. So दो lines किधर cross हो रहा है उधर आपका hands रखना पड़ेगा. So अभी there's a midline and chest line here it is. If not, so हमारा breastbone है ना उसका एक टिप है इधर. breastbone का edge. So उसका ऊपर 2 inches. उसका ऊपर 2 inches उधर हमारा hand रखना पड़ेगा. Okay? Understood?
Yes,
मालूम हुआ मैं क्या बोला? मैडम? You understood? Okay, fine. So कैसे hands रखना है? First and foremost thing, I request all to please raise your hand. Raise कर दीजिए. Please raise your hand. Raise one more hand. Interlock this. Lock करना है. Okay? So shall we play Nagini song? Nagini, Nagini. Nice environment to play the song. Okay, fine. So come forward. Come forward. Make sure all your joints are straight. So this joint, and this joint. So कभी भी joints है ना, वो joints completely straight होना पड़ेगा and it should be locked. It should be locked. Bend नहीं होना है. Bend हो तो कभी भी हमने CPR कर रहा हूँ, उस समय में वो केरला मसाज होता है. पेशेंट को क्या चाहिए? मसाज चाहिए, कंप्रेशन चाहिए. Compression चाहिए. So इसलिए it should be completely locked. And I am going to place it on the center where I placed it. Okay? कितना बार compression करना है? 30. Very good. 30 compression. Depth कितना होना पड़ेगा?
5 to 6.
2 to 2.5 inches. As per Indian resuscitation. हमें audible? सुन रहा है क्या? मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Okay, fine. So as per Indian Red Cross Society's recommendation, it is 2 to 2.5%. As per American Heart Association recommendation, it is 2 inches. At least 2 inches or 5 centimeters. That's what I target. Shall we start? So I'm just keeping my hand here. I'll interlock with one more hand. I'll make sure my entire body weight is straight. So shall we do it like this? No. Your body weight should be completely on the patient chest and you can start compression. Correct? How many compressions I will give? Shall we count?
Yes.
Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
After 30 क्या करना है?
Breathe.
Breath देना है. उसके बारे में बाद में बात करेंगे. Breaths. Okay? So 30 compressions. So कितना बार रिपीट करना है इसे? 5 times. 5 बार रिपीट करना है. 30, 30, 30, 30. 5 बार मतलब 150 compressions होता है. 150 compressions करने के बाद क्या करना है? गाड़ी बड़ी. I mean pulse again check करना है. Correct? So after checking the pulse, after 2 minutes or 5 cycles, once you check the pulse our nadi nahi hai. Pulse is not regained. What will you do now? Again continue CPR. Correct? So कब तक CPR continue करना है? कभी भी नाड़ी बड़ी पल्स रिपीट होता है और हेल्प आता है उस तरफ हम लोग CPR कंटिन्यू करना पड़ेगा. So until pulse regains or until help is going to arrive or until you are tired, until that you can do CPR, because the paramedics, nurses are not authorized to declare the death. So only the doctor, they will come and they will do some other examinations, then they will decide whether the patient is died or not. Is it clear? Understood? I am going to repeat everything now. I may call someone randomly to perform the CPR. Then we will discuss about rescue breath. Then we will discuss about AED. Is it okay? Is it okay? Yes. No voice. Yes. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Thank you. So first and foremost thing, I'll just make sure the place is safe. I'm repeating. Scene is safe. Second point. Yes. I'm going to note the mask. I'm going to check the response. Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay? Sir, are you okay? Sir is not okay. Sir, please dial 27 and get code blue team. Then I'm going to check the carotid pulse or neck pulse. For how many seconds? More than 5 seconds, less than 10 seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. There is no pulse, there is no respiration. I am going to start CPR, compressions, right? So I am sorry, I forgot to talk about ABC. What is ABC? Airway breathing and circulation. Now it's been changed as CAB. Circulations, airway breathing. For circulation, what I am going to do? I am going to compress the chest. Where do I compress? Draw image between midline and chest line or nipple line. Where the lines are getting crossed, there I am going to place my heel of the hand and I am going to interlock with one more hand and make sure all my joints are straight and lean forward and I am going to compress the chest. For how many times? 30 times. In the depth of 2.5 inches or 5 centimeters. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any doubts?
No.
Any doubts? Any clarifications in this?
No, sir.
And whenever you compress, you just make sure that the back surface of the patient is on the hard area. If the patient is on the cushion or on the bed, shall we do CPR? कभी भी पेशेंट बेड का ऊपर है उस समय में CPR करना पड़ेगा? नहीं. So क्यों मतलब कभी भी कंप्रेशन कर रहा है उस समय में बैक हार्ड सरफेस में होना चाहिए. Clear? So we select material random again. Let them comment to the solution. Who? Just two. Okay. So we will assume that you are in the floor. Okay. So patient was not well. So patient is sick. So by the time you enter there, 60-year female patient she's collapsed. She's not responding. So you are the one next to the patient and how you are going to respond to it. Please go ahead. Scene is safe. Very good. Very good. Yeah. I'll check the response. Okay. Please go ahead.
Hello, madam. Hello, madam. Are you okay?
Madam is not okay. She is not responding.
Then I'll call for help.
Okay. You dial 27. I'll just ask them to do the calling. They done it. Then check the pulse. Yes. Please go ahead. No. You have to count. Yeah.
1001.
You have to observe here for the abdominal riser, chest rises. Count. Start. 1001. Count for them. Please help him. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. Okay, pulse is there? No pulse, no respiration, and patient is unconscious. So you need to initiate CPR now. So when will you start CPR? Just draw imaginary between midline and chest line. Where the lines are getting crossed, they are going to place your one hand, heel, interlock with one more hand. Make sure all your joints are straight. So make sure all the joints are straight. Lift up yourself. Very good. Okay. Actually, this is in 45-degree angle. This is also not recommended in real scenarios. So in real scenario, you have to give 90-degree angle. Complete body का patient का ऊपर रहना पड़ेगा. Okay, start. Count for him. Start. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Okay. So this 30 compression has to finish within how many seconds? Any idea?
2 to 3.
100. 15 to 18 seconds. So उस समय में वो 30 compressions complete होना चाहिए. Minimum is 15, maximum is 18. Okay. So raise your hands. Can someone turn on the timer, please? Can just go to timer. Yeah. Yes, yes, of course. He can do it. Intellect it. Okay. Shall we count for him? Shall we count? क्या हो रहा है इधर? Oh, timer लगा है. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Okay. Ready? Yes. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Finish within 13 seconds. Poor CPR. I'm just kidding you. You are little fast. Okay. Go little slow. Okay. Right. One more. Not too fast or it should not be too slow. So कभी भी हमें फास्ट CPR दे रहा हूँ उस समय में हार्ट का रीफिल होने का टाइम नहीं मिलता है. इसलिए कभी भी आपने कंप्रेशन कर रहा है उस समय में कंप्लीटली रिलैक्स करना पड़ेगा. Ready? Shall we start, sir? Yeah.
इसका फीडिंग जो देना है फटाफट जाके फीडिंग देके इमीडिएटली आ जाए. जल्दी जाके आ जाएगा.
Ready?
फीडिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
Yes, yes, yes.
जल्दी आना है, उधर किसी को बिठा के वापस आ जाए. हाँ.
Okay. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 17 seconds. Almost there. Good job. You are good hand. Thank you. Any caretakers? Madam? आप आ जाइए.
कोई भी आई आराम से.
Yes, very good. Give a big hand. Good. So you will observe. अभी वो patient है ना? वो okay. So 60-year male patient है. वो respond नहीं कर रहा है. आपने वो patient का साथ है. सर कैसे आप CPR शुरू कर दोगे? स्टार्ट कर दोगे? Safe है. अभी please safe है. Silence please. Silence please. Sir. Very good job. Okay. Okay. So patient का safe place safe है. Gloves and mask. Yes. चेक कर दीजिए. बात कर दीजिए उसके साथ. Sir.
अभी ठीक है.
बात कर दीजिए. बात कर दीजिए उसके साथ.
सर आप ठीक है. सर आप ठीक है.
ठीक. वो रेस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहा है.
तो बाद में उसका
Okay. Kneel down comfortably. Very good. हाँ. इसी करो. अभी observe करो. Start. Count for him. Start. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. पल्स है? नाड़ी है? नहीं. सांस है? नहीं है. So पल्स नहीं है, रेस्पिरेशन भी नहीं है, एंड अनकॉन्शियस. इसलिए उसका नाम कार्डियक अरेस्ट. तो कार्डियक अरेस्ट क्या करना है हम लोग? CPR करना है. ओके. सो किधर स्टार्ट करना है अभी? फर्स्ट जस्ट लाइन लगा दो एंड और एक लाइन इधर लगा दो, मिडल में आपका हैंड रखना पड़ेगा। इंटरलॉक कर दीजिए, लिफ्ट अप कंप्लीटली, यस। Shall we start? Shall we start? Yes. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Sound counts. No, I am not happy. I am happy with the comparisons, but I am not happy with the response. Ready? One more? Yes. Shall we count? Yes. Everyone is going to count for you now. Okay? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Oh my God. Little fast. थोड़ा सा stop करना पड़ेगा. Okay, one more cycle. Ready? Not completely fast, not completely slow. Okay. Shall we count? Wait. Are you okay? Yes. Are you conscious? Yes. Prove your consciousness by counting for him. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. How many seconds? Like almost 15 seconds. Any female caretaker? Anyone of you in the group? आ जाइए। आइए। Come fast. Okay. So patient 40-year female है, 40 years, 40 ईयर का मैडम उधर कोलैप्स हुआ है, मैडम रेस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहा है, तो वो अभी आप अकेले हैं वो फ्लोर में, तो क्या क्या कर सकते हैं एंड कैसे करना है? पहले उनका वेरी गुड, वाओ, गिव हर अ बिग हैंड, शी इज गोइंग टू एयर में ब्रीथ सर्कुलेशन। मैडम ना ओके रेस्पॉन्स नहीं कर रहा है, बाद में क्या करना है? कैरोटिड पल्स चेक करना है। ओके, चेक कर दीजिए। ओके गुड, ओके एक ही हाथ में चेक कर। ओके सो वो सांस ले रहा है और नहीं ले रहा है देखिए ना, काउंट कर दीजिए। काउंट फॉर अस प्लीज, काउंट स्टार्ट। 1001 पल्स है मैडम? नहीं, सांस ले रहा है नहीं ले रहा है? नहीं ले रहा है। सो पेशेंट का अभी क्या करना है? CPR करना है। किधर स्टार्ट करना है? फर्स्ट एक मार्क लगा दो, ओके, मार्क इधर लगाना। यस, वेरी गुड, लग कर दीजिए। ग्रेट, लिफ्ट अप सम मोर, और थोड़ा, ओके, और थोड़ा बेंड कर देंगे, बेंड होना है पेशेंट का ऊपर। ओके, shall we start? Are you ready? Yes. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
How many seconds? No, you are too fast. और एक बार धीरे धीरे करना है। डाउन, आपका हाथ उधर लगा दो, स्लोली करना है। ओके, हम लोग आपको हेल्प कर देंगे। कभी भी आपने काउंट करना है उस समय में आपने कंप्रेशन करना है। ओके, कंफर्टेबली सिट लाइक दिस, कीप योर हैंड्स देयर। शैल वी काउंट? एंकरेज विद द काउंटिंग। स्टार्ट।
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Good job. Thank you so much. You are very good. Hey, she's almost 16 seconds. She's almost 16 seconds. Good. So this is about CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So in our BLS there are three components. First component is CPR. Second component is rescue breath. What is rescue breath? Giving artificial breath. Giving artificial breath. So after COVID, we are not recommended to give mouth-to-mouth respiration nowadays. So before COVID, we used to give a mouth-to-mouth respiration. So whenever we used to give mouth-to-mouth respiration, so we used to elevate the head up. So nose pitch करके we used to open the mouth and we used to give a mouth-to-mouth respiration. So whenever we used to give mouth-to-mouth respiration, so we used to do head tilt, chin lift maneuver or elevating the head up, and we used to pinch the nose and we used to open the mouth and we used to cover the our mouth with the patient mouth and we used to blow the air. Correct? But now after COVID, we are not recommending to give mouth-to-mouth respiration. Here, if you have a mask, you can use a mask and you can give breath. आपके पास मास्क नहीं है तो आपके पास कुछ हैंड कर्चिप है, टिश्यू है, वो यूज करके ब्रेथ दे सकता है. नहीं है तो no need to give breaths. That's the updation from American Heart Association. So 2023 American Heart Association updated guidelines proves that only compressions is more important than the breaths. Only compressions, no breaths. मैं क्या बोला अभी? मेरा पास अभी मास्क नहीं है, उसको ब्रेथ देना है या नहीं देना है? नहीं देना है. सो क्या फोकस करना है? कंप्रेस करने का फोकस करना है. That's called as COLS. Compressions only, life support. BLS is becomes COLS का. Compressions only, life support. So आपके पास फर्स्ट एड किट है. So किट है तो उसमें एक पॉकेट मास्क रहता है, उसका नाम पॉकेट मास्क है. So है तो वो यूज कर सकता है, नहीं है तो नो नीड टू गिव ब्रेथ. So कैसे यूज करना है? अगेन इट्स लाइक वो ट्रायंगुलर शेप में है, दिख रहा है ना? ट्रायंगुलर शेप में है. So this tip has to placed on the bridge of the nose. So ऐसा रखना पड़ेगा. बाद में कंप्लीटली कवर करके I want to elevate the head up. Elevate क्यों कर रहे हैं? To clear the airway. So कभी भी पेशेंट सांस लेने का तकलीफ हो रहा है, उस समय में उसका जीभ बैक just may go back, may block the airway. So tongue fall back is the main culprit in airway obstruction. इसलिए हम लोग क्या कर रहा हूँ? Head tilt, chin lift कर रहा हूँ. और just simply we are just elevating the head up, and I am going to place this mask. So this is about rescue breath. I'll just keep the mask on the face. I'll just hold like this. I'll use one more thumb and I'm going to elevate this up. Okay? So this thumb is going to place it here and I'm going to completely cover and I'm going to elevate this, and my face I'm going to keep it here in the mouthpiece. This is called as mouthpiece, and I may give a breath. So while giving breath, what I want to observe? Observe for the chest rise. If the chest is right, what indicates? It's properly delivering to the lungs. If it is not, you are not seeing any kind of chest rise, that indicates that there might be some obstruction. Okay? So उसके बारे में आपको कुछ मालूम हो तो that's well and good. If you are not understanding, no problem. But focus more only on the compressions. Why? Circulation is very, very important because brain is going to die within how many minutes? Maximum of 5 minutes. Okay? So if you have a mask, I'll just keep it like this. Then I'll hold the mask. You can observe for the what? Just rise. So there's a slight rise. That rise indicate what? Air is entering to the lungs. If you don't have a mask, shall I give breath? No, it's not recommended. That's about rescue breaths. And okay. So there will be an ambu bag available in our setup. So if you have a team of doctor or the nurses, you can use that also to give a breath. Okay, fine. Is it boring? Good morning. Good afternoon. Good afternoon or good morning? So are you guys tired standing for a long time? Okay, so I'll just take another 15-20 minutes, then we'll just wind up. The last topic of the day is AED. What is AED? Automated external defibrillator. So why it's used? Any idea? To deliver the shock. Whenever कभी भी हमारा हार्ट लपडप जैसा काम करने का it's not working like that. It's just locked or just sometimes blocked. Okay. So thank you. So this is called as. I'll not open this. I think it's sterilized one. Shall I use? Okay. So you know, आप लोग वो देखा और नहीं देखा?
देखा सर।
देखा ना?
टूट गया। टूटा है, वो टूटा है।
So कभी भी पेशेंट का
ज्वाइन ही नहीं किया।
रेस्पिरेशन कहीं नहीं हो रहा है उस समय में हम लोग वो यूज कर सकते हैं। ओके, सो उसका नाम क्या है? आम्बू बैग। आर यू श्योर? उसका नाम है BBM. आम्बू इज अ इंडियन वर्ड. सो दैट्स द रियल नेम. यस, BBM. एनी आइडिया व्हाट इज BBM? वेरी गुड. बैग वॉल मास्क वेंटिलेशन. BBM. लीव इट सर, नो प्रॉब्लम. No problem. Okay, fine. So, if someone is doing CPR, you want to? Thank you so much. So, we will assume that my friend has started CPR. Anybody from this group? Sir, you come forward. Do you know how to use this bag? Easy clamp technique. पता है? Okay, so he will start CPR and he will help with the BBM. Yes, sit down. Kneel down, sir. Sit comfortably. Okay, this has to go here. EC clamp. Do you know what is EC clamp? C and E. C for compression. Relax. Compression. E for elevation. Compress now. Elevate, sir. Keep the bag here. Hold it like this from the down. Yes. Okay, you can give 30 compressions. Shall we count for them?
Yes.
Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28.
Very good. Give first breath. Very good. Second breath. Start CPR. Again. 1, 2, 3, count.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22,
First breath. Second breath. Start CPR. Very good compressions. Great.
13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Count. Okay, if it's fifth cycle, what will you do now? Extend. Before extend, what they want to do? Check for the pulse. Check for the pulse. Your side. Very good. Meanwhile, observe for the just silent fall. Count. 1001. 1010. There is no pulse, there is no respiration. What do you do now? Who will going to do CPR now? You are going to do CPR and you are going to give a breath. Why should I change? Why? So क्यों change करना पड़ेगा? Because I will be tired. So I want me in the position to compress the chest as effective as I did before. That's what I want to change my role. Okay. So now sir will go to airway and they will come. He will come to compression. That's how they are going to change the rule for every 5 cycles or 2 minutes. 5 cycles are 2 minutes. Here, yes. Give them a big hand, please. Thank you. Okay. Now, the third and important point of our BLS is AED. What is AED? Automated external defibrillator. It's a current shock delivery machine. So कभी भी हम लोग फिल्म देखता है ना, उस समय में क्या होता है? आईसीयू में एक 2 आयरन बॉक्स लेके क्या करता है वो? शॉक होता है। एक आयरन बॉक्स इधर रखता है और एक इधर आयरन बॉक्स इधर रख के क्या करता है? शॉक देता है ना? So उसका नाम है defibrillator. So I heard that Sukhil is going to get the defibrillators in your setup. So in that you will be having the AED option also. So if you just turn on the AED, it's going to guide you how you are going to use it. So the AED which I have, so मेरा पास कोई AED है, so वो just trainer है. This is not the real AED. Okay? Nowadays in Karnataka they have introduced something called as Appu Yojana, Appu scheme. Did someone what is Appu scheme? Manipulation they only they have came up with very and is correct. Give her a 1 big hand. She is correct. So in the name of Appu sir, now they are keeping AED in the public places, bus stand, railway station, theatre, wherever there is a crowd more than 30, they are keeping one AED in that location. Because if someone has got collapsed, I want to deliver the shock within 3 minutes of cardiac arrest. Within how many minutes? 3 मिनट का पहले हम लोग क्या देना है? शॉक देना पड़ेगा. इसलिए हम लोग अभी भी कभी भी प्लेस है ना, so उधर हम लोग AED, they are just getting the AED. What is AED? Automated external defibrillator. So just remember 3 points to use the AED equipment. कितना point? 3 points. उसमें first point है power on AED. क्या करना है? First point load lead. Once again power on. So there is a green button is the on and off button. If you just tightly do this, it's going to turn it on. It's got on now. Okay, it's going to tell you what you want to do. Apply pads. Plug in, plug, connector. Then take to the flashing light. So I'll just keep the AED near the patient. So there's a pad. I'm going to teach about this, how you want to use it. I just put one pad here, one more pad here, and I'm going to attach it.
Do not touch the patient.
Analyzing heart rhythm, do not touch the patient. I will be away from the patient. Shock is advised now. It's charging. Continue CPR. Stay clear. I am clear. You are clear. Everybody is clear. So you can see the RN button now. You can see the RN button here, right? So that indicates that patient needs shock. Clear? By pressing it, shock is delivered. It's safe to start CPR. You can listen the beep sounds. Correct? This beep sound is going to help you to deliver the compressions. Okay? I'm just repeating. If you have a AED, what's the first point you will do? You will just on it. If you turn on it, this AED is going to guide you as a doctor. It's going to guide as a senior. So what point is going to tell you? Second important point. Attach pads. So where do we attach it? So there is one upper chest and one more is in lower chest. Okay, this is called as, उसका नाम है disposable pads. You can use for only one patient, not for the next patient. Okay, so कभी भी वो use करते हैं, so you have to remove the cloths, and is there a hair on the chest? Quickly shave the hair, then you can place these pads. So shall we place this pad on the head? No, it will not deliver the shock. AED, if you just open the AED kit, there will be a one razor and one more pair of pads with you. Okay, these pads are little costly. That's what in Western countries, what they will do, they will attach the pad, they will remove the pad, then apply the next pad. But in Indian scenario, we cannot do that. So quickly shave the pad, then you can apply the pads. Patient is having a lot of water on the chest. Shall we place it on the water? Quickly wipe it, then you can place it. So patient is having a bulge over here, temporary pacemaker. Shall I place this on the temporary pacemaker? No, above the temporary pacemaker or below the temporary pacemaker, you can apply these pads. Those are the three important scenarios you need to remember. First scenario, airy chest. Second scenario, watery chest. Third scenario, temporary pacemakers. So whenever you find that, clear that, then you can apply this pads. So where should you place the pad? One on the right upper chest, one more on the left lower chest. Is it clear?
Yes.
Understood?
Yes.
Okay. Once you apply the pad, AED is going to analyze the rhythm. So which are the shockable rhythm? Anybody? VT and VF. Who's it? Very good. Give them a big hand. Ventricular tachycardia and ventricular fibrillation. Pulseless ventricular tachycardia and ventricular fibrillations is called as shockable rhythms. So this AED is going to analyze that. So AED क्या करता है? वो पेशेंट का शॉक चाहिए हो नहीं चाहिए बोल के वो एनालाइज करके आपके बोलता है. इसलिए कभी भी आपके पास AED है उस समय में इमीडिएटली AED अटैच कर दीजिए. क्लियर? अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
सर मेरे को पता नहीं है पेशेंट का VF है और VT है, कैसे आप बता सकता है? सो इसलिए जस्ट connect the AED. That AED is going to analyze the rhythm and it's going to tell you shockable rhythm or non-shockable rhythm. So when the light is going to blink, shockable rhythms. When is going to blink? Whenever the patient is in boring, shockable rhythm में वो बोलता है then it can deliver the shock. So what is the first part I want to do in AED? You just turn on the switch. I am just doing that now. What is the second point I want to do? Attach the pads.
Next to flashing light. Analyzing heart rhythm.
Clear.
Do not touch the patient.
It is the same instructions. Shock is advised. I am clear. You are clear. Everybody is clear.
Stay clear of
You can see
patient.
the light. This light you can see the light now.
Deliver shock now.
It is
Press
blinking.
the orange button now.
Clear.
Shock delivered.
Shock is delivered. Then
Begin.
and can start. This beep sound is going to help you to do a thumb. Understood? Any doubts? So, how many minutes I want to do CPR now after attaching AED? 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes, AED is going to analyze the rhythm, whether it is a shockable rhythm or non-shockable rhythm. If it is shockable rhythm, AED will tell you to stop CPR and light is going to blink. कभी भी light blink हो रहा है, इसका मतलब है पेशेंट को शॉक देना पड़ेगा, चाहिए. कभी भी लाइट नहीं ब्लिंक हो रहा है, शॉक. Confused? Shall I repeat? Shall I repeat? So whenever that AED is showing that light with sound, tan 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 alarm, that indicate patient needs shock. Whenever AED is not giving that sound or the light, continue CPR. That's it. No shock advised. Is it clear? So what is AED? Automated external defibrillator. So what are the 3 points I want to remember to deliver the AED? Attach the pads. Then first point, turn on the power on. Second point, attach the pads. Then deliver the shock. Then resume CPR. So once you attach the pad, once you deliver the shock, shall we relax? No, you have to do CPR because AED is not alternative for CPR and CPR is not alternative for AED. You have to continue. Clear? Any doubts? No doubts? Yes or no? Doubts? Do you have doubts? No. So this is about adult CPR. So when it comes to pregnant lady, how will you do CPR? Any idea? Shall we do the same CPR for the pregnant lady? Then what is the changes? Position. Very good. So what position will you do CPR? Lateral. Right lateral or left lateral? Left lateral. Very good. Give them a big hand. Both of them are perfect. They are perfect. So whenever the pregnant lady is got collapse due to cardiac arrest, for them I want to do CPR in lateral position. Okay? So who are not done? So could you please come forward? Yes. Please sit here. Okay? Anybody, madam? Come forward. You only. Nigga, one minute. And the book will put it on. So till the pregnant patient into opposite side. Kneel down, sir. Sit. Kneel down. You can come from opposite side, madam. Keep your hands here. Kneel down. Kneel down. Come on. Come on. You cannot? No problem. Yes, anybody? Anybody want to do CPR? Male can. Sir, you come forward. You only. Come. Sit. Okay. You can keep your hand here, one here, and you can keep your CPR here. Interact. Ready? So this is for which patient? Pregnant patient. Why I am turning into left side? Sorry, she's in right side. Sorry. Okay. Why turning to left side? Start CPR, sir. No. Wait. Like this. Come closer. Count for him. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Everyone, start.
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
So after 30, let's do it again. 30. This is for which patient? Pregnant patient. Is it clear? Why it is like this? Everything we discuss once we come for the next course. This is just a trailer. Picture abhi baki hai. So give them a big hand, please. Thank you. Okay. Next is pediatric. What is the age group? Age group from 1 year to puberty. 1 year to इसका नाम 70 30 now. Okay. So what is the difference between adult CPR and pediatric CPR? 15:2. Okay. Shall we use both hands or one hand? We are going to use only 2 fingers. No. So that's for infant. I am talking about pediatric. One hand. I am going to use only one hand. Sir, come forward. So everything remains same. Same safety, that, this, everything same. Instead of using both hands, I am going to use only one hand. Get down. Okay. Keep your only one hand. Wait. Okay. Shall we count for it? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
After 30, 2 breaths. It remains same. How many cycles? 5 cycles. It remains same. Right? But whenever we 2 are there is going to change. How many compressions now? 2 rescuers. You said many. 15. How many compressions I want to give? 15. How many breaths I want to give? 2. How many cycles? 10 cycles. 30 is to 5 cycles. 15 is to 10 cycles. Simple. Sir, could you please come forward? Okay. So we will assume that he is tired now. He done a 5 cycle of CPR and is freshly came and is going to start how many compressions now? How many compressions? Loudly. You have to speak. If you speak loudly, I will leave by at least 130. If not, I will not leave you more than 130. Ready? You are a second responder. Okay? You are ready to give a breath. Take the towel back. Okay? How many compressions will you give now? Yeah. Ready? Easy clamp technique. Elevate this up. Okay. Shall we count? Shall we count? No voice. Start. Oh, whether you are first or whether they are first. He is like, pull down, my boy, pull down. Okay? Keep your hands there. This patient needs only 2 inches CPR. Baby, if you do this much record of CPR, you are going to break up ribs of the patient. Correct? I know you are so enthusiastic, not get married. Okay? Fine? Ready? Shall we start? Slowly. Okay? Start.
1, 2, 4,
Little bit, that's it. Stop. Okay? Here. Ready? 15 is to do. Start.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
16 now. Hey, I'll kill you. Give 2 breaths, sir. Open your breaths. 2. Okay, then continue. CPR. Continue, sir. Quickly, you cannot stop the middle like this.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Who is going to count? You will get a chocolate. Start. I don't want chocolate, I will not count it. Ready? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. First breath. Second breath. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. First breath. Second breath. If it is a 10 cycle, what do you do? You are going to interchange your roles. Why should I change it? You change the man? I will be tired. That's what I am going to change the combinations. Is it clear? Yes. That's about pediatric CPR. Clear? Any doubts?
No.
Any doubts?
No.
So next is infant CPR. What is the age group is infant? Birth to 28 days. That's neonate. Newborn. I don't want to group answer. Any individual answers? Birth to 1 year. You are 1 month to 1 year. You are almost near. 28 days to 1 year. She is correct. You are a big hand. There is slight difference between adult CPR, pediatric CPR and infant CPR. Any idea about infant? What are the first changes? So shall we check the response like this? Baby, are you okay?
No.
Answer is no. Then, baby, are you okay? Correct? No, that's also wrong. Then, how do I check it? Just hold the leg, tap on the sole, and while tapping, observe for the facial changes. Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Baby, are you okay? Baby has to cry or baby has to kick you back. So, oh baby rona hai or baby has to kick you back. So baby is not crying or baby is not kicking you back. That indicate that baby is responsive or unresponsive? Unresponsive. So the first point. Second point, shall we check the neck pulse? Carotid pulse? Brachial. Why there is no neck pulse? Because the neck is very short, small. I cannot check the neck pulse. So I am going to check the brachial pulse. For how many seconds? More than 5 seconds, less than? And observe for chest or abdominal rise? Abdominal rise. Because baby will use more abdominal muscles, not the chest muscles. Shall we start? I'll randomly select. I don't know to whom I'm going to select. Watch it carefully. Okay? I'll check the pulse. I'll observe for the abdominal lines. Start. Count. Pulse is there. Pulse is there. But still I want to start CPR. Am I correct? Answer is no. But as per updated American Heart Association guidance, answer is yes. If there is a pulse, the rate is less than 60 beats per minute. How much? Less than 60 beats per minute. Still you can start CPR for infant. Why? Because the normal heart rate is more than 140. Here the rate is less than 60. Is it enough? It's not enough. That's what you can start CPR even though whenever the pulse is present less than 60 beats per minute. कभी भी pulse rate 60 का नीचे है उस समय में हम लोग CPR start कर सकता है. Only in which patient? Only in infant. Adult patient on the pulse, shall I start CPR? He will wake up and he will beat you. Correct? So this is only for the infant. Clear? I'll check the pulse and respiration. So shall we start CPR like this? No. I'm going to use only two finger technique. How many compressions? Alone. I am alone. No one is there. One rescuer. 30. Whenever there is a one rescuer, 30 compressions. Whenever there are two rescuers, 15 is to 2. Is it clear? Doubt? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. If I am alone, how many compressions? 30. How many breaths? 2. If I have two rescuers, 15 compressions and 2 breaths. Depth is same. 1.5 inches. 1.5 inches. Shall we start? Shall we start? Shall we count? Count for me. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21,
After 30, 2 breaths. Shall we take deep breath? Answer is
no.
why no? Why? Because baby is like it's very small. You don't want to give more breath. If you give, you will make us heart trauma, lungs trauma. That's why don't give more breath. Give breath which will make only chest rise and fall. Is it clear? Understood? Up आ जाइए. You. Next you. You only. Yes. Sorry. How will you perform CPR for infant? How will you check the response first? Response. Tap. Hi, she is like doing massaging. Akka. Where are you from? Okay. Abhi akka na breathe. Okay, fine. I'll chasing good. Okay. Check the response. He is not responding. Call for help. Then check for the brachial pulse. Observe for the how many seconds? Count it. Count for her. Start. 1001.
1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007,
No pulse, no respiration. If it is not responding, then start CPR. Count. Start.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Stop. Here the different number and here different number. Shall we start? Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. After 30, 2 breaths. How many cycles? 5 cycles. Let's suppose we two are there now. Both of us are trying. How many compressions I want to give? 50. How many breaths? How many cycles? two-thumb encircle technique. I am going to hold the entire baby like this. Madam, most of okay. We are going to hold the baby like this by using our two fingers, and I am going to wrap the baby entire body weight. Okay. And I am going to give her 15 chest compressions, and madam is going to use a small arm bag, and she will give 2 minutes. Okay. So it will go like this. Let's suppose if the baby is here, shall we start? Count for me. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
After 15, 16 now? 15. So what ma'am will do? There will be a small bag and she will give how many breaths? 2 breaths. And I am going to give her 15 chest compressions. How many cycles? 10 cycles. Good morning madam. 10 cycles. After 10 cycles I am going to change the role. I will take care of the breath and ma'am will take care of the contractions. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Which doubts hai? Yes or no?
No.
As of now, no. Huh? Thank you. Both of it. You and you. Okay? 8-month baby got collapsed. Here the chances are less, I guess, but still you should know about it. How you are going to respond to it and how you are going to start the CPR. 2 reps per CPR. Start. First check the response. Tap the sole. Baby is not responding. You call for the help. Check for the pulse. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010. No pulse, no respiration. Baby is not responding. Then start 2 reps per CPR. 2 thumb. Yes. Okay, you can take care of the breaths. Small breath. Okay, shall we count? Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Reverse delay. Repeat. No. Wait. Repeat again. Only 15. No 16 here. Now start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
First breath. Second breath. Now start.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
First breath. Second breath. Thank you. First breath and second breath. Is it clear? Understood? मैडम मालूम है आपको? मालूम हुआ? समझ गए क्या? Okay, fine. So in AED there is a last changes. That is, there will be a small pads for the infants. In your AED there will be a, you can see the difference now. This is the adult pad, this is the infant pad. If you have this pad, you have to place one pad on the sternum, one pad on the back. One on the sternum, one on the back. That's the difference. Okay? Clear? Any doubts?
No, sir.
The last final topic of the day is choking. What is choking? So कभी भी आपने खाने का टाइम में क्या हो रहा है अभी? एयरवे ब्लॉक हो रहा है. उसका नाम है choking. So any volunteers would like to come here as a choking personnel? Sir, do you want to come forward? No? No, you don't. Anybody? Please come forward quickly. Any male candidate, not female candidate. Sir, आप आ जाइए. नहीं. Sir, you only. You uniform guy. Yeah. Okay. How will you know when patient is having choking? कैसे पता चलता है? So what they try to speak, they are not in a position to speak. They will try to cough it out, they are not in a position to cough it out. So sometimes they might be crying. Their face may turn into blue color. Their lips may turn into blue color. All those things are the sign of choke. Sign of choking. And they will be having a universal sign. they'll be wrapping the neck. That's the universal sign. So, yes or no? Fine. So, Kabibi, whenever the patient is in this position, that indicates patient is in choking. So, what do I do? Abdominal thrust or hemorrhage maneuver. So, just place your one leg between the patient leg. Make sure you are strong enough. Correct? If not, buy one, get on free offer. That's why you should be strong enough. Just take the patient body weight, feel the umbilicus of the patient, just above the umbilicus, below the sternum. This is called as epigastric region. On the epigastric region, just place your hand, interlock with one more hand. You can give inward and upward pressure. What pressure? For how many times? 5 times. For how many times? 5 times. This called as what? Hemlich maneuver. What maneuver? Or abdominal thrust. Okay? So, bahar aaye to you done a very good job. Go like that. Okay? If not, it's not clear. What do you do now? Again another 5 abdominal thrust or hemlich maneuver you can do. Until what time you will do this? Until choke is going to clear, or until until the patient becomes unconscious. Patient becomes unconscious. If he is unconscious, what do you do now? Unconscious, what do you do? Start CPR. Start CPR. Diverted your mind. Did you got my point? So abdominal thrust or hemorrhage maneuver. If he is pregnant, are you pregnant? No? He is like, no sir, I am not pregnant. If he is pregnant or if she is pregnant, shall we do the same abdominal thrust? Answer is no. For them I am going to perform the chest thrust maneuver. Instead of placing on the hand, we will place on the center of the chest and we may give inward and upward pressure. This is called as chest thrust maneuver. For pregnant lady, I am going to place what? Chest thrust. Non-pregnant lady patient, abdominal thrust or hemorrhage maneuver. Clear? Understood? Yes. Please thank him with the big hand, please. Thank you so much. Okay. So, infant choking. Shall we hold the baby like this? And hold it like this and if it's from the back.
No.
Yes, sir. Answer is no. Not like this. So instead of that, could you please hold the mic for me, sir? In many movies, they will hold like this and will hit from the back. But it's not right technique. So for infant, we have to sit comfortably on the chair or the table. What Sir is showing is correct. So place your baby on your hand. Open the mouth by using your 2 fingers. Stretch the leg. Keep the baby here. Make sure the head is lower than the up. And you are going to give a how many times? 5 back flows between the shoulder blades. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 back flows. And if it is not placed, take the baby and your lower hand. Keep your 2 fingers at the center of the chest and you can give 5 chest thrusts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 5. What are the names called as? What I said? 5 back blows. Once again, count for me. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It is not released. Then 5 chest thrust. Count for me. Start.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Here, that's how it goes. Any doubts? Any clarifications? Leave it, sir. Already 1:30. Okay? So with that I am done. So if you have any doubts, any clarifications, I am open to clarify your doubts. And whatever we have just covered till now, it's just a trailer. How BLS course goes. This is not the proper certification course. It's called as awareness course. Okay? If you want to get certified or if you have a certification, it's well and good. If you don't have a certification, if you are a medical professionals, it's mandatory to have it. Please have it. Okay. So to answer your question now, so if you don't have a gloves, how you are going to respond to it? So as per the updated guidelines from the Ministry of Health, now keeping a pair of gloves in your pocket is mandate. Whenever you wear a uniform, or if you are not wearing a uniform, you should be having a mask and gloves in your pocket. That's the only answer. So if you don't have it, that's none of my business. Because your life is going to spoil. Do you know how many percentage of the HIV positive patients are nurses or the doctors in India? Any idea? How many percentage of doctors or nurses are HIV positives in India? Why I am giving you this example? Because wearing gloves is very, very important. We are not doing it. We just think about someone else's life, but we are not thinking about our life. When I finished my diploma nursing, I am basically from diploma nursing background. I've done my diploma nursing, then did my BSc nursing, then did my MSc nursing. Now I am pursuing my PhD. So when I completed my diploma nursing, it was 8% of HIV positive patients were doctors, nurses, and medical professionals. But today it is 21% of HIV positive patients are medical professionals. So you just decide whether you want to carry a gloves or not. If you decide that you are going to carry, you will be prevented from the HIV positive and HPSAG. If you are not covering yourself, you will be either more prone to that diseases. So I kindly request you to please carry a pair of gloves wherever you go, so that you will be protected. You will be safe. HIV positive. HIV positive.
21% medical professionals. Out of in India there are 3.8 million HIV.
Okay.
And you are telling 21%.
Yes. Okay, sir. Maybe I might be wrong.
HPSAG is possible.
Okay.
Possible. Because there is highly.
I just told ulta of it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry for that. I'm sorry for that. Okay. So 21% is HIV positive, sir is talking about. HPSAG. I'm sorry.
Because
I'll agree with you, sir.
very contact.
Yes, of course.
And HIV is non-contact.
Exactly. But protecting myself is very important. Will you agree with me? Anyone else? Risk. Okay? So kindly wear a gloves, mask whenever you go and touch the patient. That's the take-home message I would like to deliver here. Okay? So I'm sorry if I give any wrong information, sir. So whatever I'm talking, there's a relevant document here. Okay? So with that I'm done. So thank you all so much for your active participation. I would like to thank the entire management of Sukhino for having me here to just give a trailer of the picture contains BLS. Again, I would like to thank my senior, my mentor, my inspiration, Darshan sir, for this great opportunity to be here to share my knowledge with you all. Thank you so much.
I believe you all enjoyed the session. I'm sorry for making you to stand for 2 hours. My intention is not to hurt you or make you tired, just because I thought if you are stand, you will concentrate more rather than sitting, making you so comfortable or sitting on chairs. Thank you, Shashi. It's been a long time. I have never got an opportunity to meet him, but just because of this BLS opportunity today, I got to meet him. And in all these years, the way how he has transformed, as he said, from diploma nursing to as a co-founder of a company today. So I'm really thankful for coming all the way here and trying us. And in future also we may collaborate with you, and we need your support for getting the certification or any such help for NABH or even further accreditations. Thank you, Shashi. Please give a big hand. I request you, whomever is not signed the form, please sign it. Whomever missed, I believe most of you have done it. Whomever is missed, just sign it. So based on that, the doctor will give you the certification. Okay, any doubts or anything you want to ask Shashi is here for some more time. If anybody wants to. Teresa, sister? You were, okay. Anything else? Therapy team? Anything you want to ask or anything or Dr. Tony is here. Doctor, anything you want to check with him?
Because recently I am not seeing any of the centers conducted apart from our internal trial. Sometimes people need change. So being able to figure like that continuously just feel good. So something different which may they prefer. So I suggest please yeah.
2:30.
Thank you.
Fine then, you believe it's already late, please carry on with your lunch. And I believe therapy team, you missed your patients today, sorry for it. And nurses, I know maybe it's a medicine giving time, sorry for that. Caretakers, I believe few of them are gone for lunch, I believe. So please leave the session and thank you all for coming. And that's what I said. You are the future leaders, you are the future one who is saving the lives. I believe this session would be more helpful for all of you, and even myself also. But I'm just saying, like, you are always keeping the patients on patient side. Thank you all again. Thank you.
Last but not least, I would like to conclude the session with the one great message from the great legend, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir. So we said, actually we worked together for Manjurate Ambulance Services, GBKMRI. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir was our director when we worked with Manjurate Ambulance Services. So he used to tell us that entire your lifetime, if you could save one life, your life as human being will be successful. So if you save one life, you are a common man, and if you save thousands of life, you are a medic. That's what he used to say us. So I strongly believe that the session with whatever you attended today, it will just help you to just save at least one life in your life. Am I sure about it? Are you sure about it?
Yes.
Are you?
Yes.
Are you? Yes. So with that positive note, we are going to save some valuable life in our future, and wish you all great luck and wish you all the best. And as Darshan sir clearly mentioned, I am not keeping well today, but still I just try to manage the session. If something went wrong in between, if I hurt you some in between, I am extremely sorry for that. It's not intentionally done it. I just wanted to keep the session alive. That's why I just asked the questions in between. Okay? So thank you all so much and wish you all the best. You deserve one big hand, then we can just make a move. Thank you.